Let's begin assembling the CrossPro Crashbar. We start by placing the front stainless steel bracket. Before installing it, we should fit two M6 clip nuts onto this bracket. We then mount the bracket using two M620 bolts with 29/7 spacers. Once the central bracket is in place, we remove the bolt shown in the image, using a 6mm Allen key. Next, we fit the first crash bar piece and replace the removed bolt with an M845 bolt. We adjust it using a 13mm socket key. If the crash bar is being installed without the skid plate, a 29/3 spacer must be used to compensate for the thickness of the CrossPro skid plate. The next step is to install the black plastic pieces, already fitted with the nuts. These pieces are marked in and out. We secure them with two M870 bolts. We now install the upper left crash bar piece. Using two M616 bolts, we join both pieces and adjust them. We then use another M616 bolt to attach it to the central bracket and adjust again. We move on to the right-hand side of the bike, and the process is similar. We loosen the bolt at the lower mounting point. It may be necessary to slightly loosen these 2 points on the skid plate to make installation easier. We fit the lower right crash bar piece using an M835 bolt and adjust it. Next, we join the two lower halves of the crash bar with two M616 bolts. We repeat the same process once more, installing the black plastic pieces on the right-hand side as well. We can now fit the final crash bar piece. We use two M616 bolts and adjust them to join the pieces. And we do the same to attach it to the central bracket. Now that all crash bar components are mounted on the bike, we can correctly tighten all bolts using a torque wrench. We set the torque wrench to 8.7 Nm to tighten the bolts on the front section. To finish, we tighten the side bolts with 21.2 Nm of force. The installation of the CrossPro Crashbar is now complete.